the jungle, strong as he can be. Watch out for that tree. George of the jungle lives a life that's free.
You'll be right, bro. So where is it? Point her out, bro.
Can you see it?
No, point it out in the camera so I can see.
What are we looking at?
Oh, fuck, you're right at the top.
I'm on, hang on, I'll get my finger. Hang on, top of that, bro.
Jesus, that's fucking epic. You see where he is? Yeah, he's right up there.
Righto.
Fuck.
What's the plan?
Hang on. Oh, I'm going to try and get a little closer. Yeah, the other way. Just keep going, man. Chainsaw it. It's actually bolted, the arms are down in the hole.
Fuck, I didn't think it was stuck. I thought it was just sitting there. I'm like, yeah, this would be great.
Yeah, it's still a pretty special spot. I can't get a quad, man.
Alright, so guys up there, up. Hang on a minute, let me get my hand in the right spot. There. That's where I am. So we're going to give it a crack. Pete's going to see if he can knock it out of that tree. Don't know yet.
I think you better prop.
I got a bent prop.
Oh, yeah.
Nice work.
Camera's still going.
Bent prop. A couple of busted straps and the battery was on the ground and that was gonna happen.
So at least we got it back.
Oh yeah.
Man, I couldn't believe that where you got it. I thought you were in this big bit here.
Nah.
You put it right on the top.
Real. What a place to land.
Go friend to you and me. Watch out for that tree. Watch out for that